Hey everyone, in this video, I'll show you how to fix lag and stuttering in Fortnite on PC, so your game runs smoother and faster. Let's get started. First open Fortnite and go to settings and then video. Make sure your graphics are set to performance mode. This helps reduce lag a lot. Also, set your resolution to match your monitor and lower effects like shadows and textures. Next, open the task manager. Close apps like browsers, Discord, or anything that uses CPU or RAM while gaming. If you're still lagging, you can also change your Fortnite server region to the one with the lowest ping. You can just check over here. Finally, make sure your graphics drivers and Windows updates are current. This helps prevent stuttering and crashes. And that's it. After doing these steps, Fortnite should run much smoother. Drop a like if this helped and subscribe for more quick PC fixes.